Here's some Clockwork Mechanisms trivia. Subscribe. Who created the first known mechanical clock? Is it A. Confucius, B. Zhang, C. Laozi, or D. Sui Ren? The correct answer is Sui Ren. Which material is often used for clock gears? Is it A. glass, B. aluminum, C. brass, or D. wood? The correct answer is C. brass. What are the rotating wheels in a clock called? Is it A. springs, B. rotors, C. gears, or D. wheels? The correct answer is C. gears. What is the term for a clock's face? Is it A. display, B. panel, C. screen, or D. dial? The correct answer is D. dial. What was the name of the portable timepiece created in the 16th century? Is it A. timer, B. clock, C. watch, or D. sundial? The correct answer is C. watch. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.